Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert draft watermark in Publisher on all pages. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert draft watermark. All pages, go to the View menu. Then select the Master Pages option and go to the insert menu, click draw a text box, then draw a text box, click and drag on our mouse, then write the draft, then select the draft text and increase the font size, applying the bold effect and select the text fill color and choose this gray black, then rotate this text and set on the middle of this page. Then go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Then we can see all pages we inserted the draft watermark very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.